This is proof the moon landing did not happen. Because, in 1969, NASA sent 3 men to a surface they had never physically tested, in a gravity environment they had never directly measured, wearing suits designed for conditions confirmed only by mathematical theory. No probe had ever landed softly on the moon and returned gravity data before Apollo 11 touched down. So how exactly did they know what they were landing into? The moon's gravity is calculated at roughly 1/6 of Earth's. That figure comes from observational astronomy. Watching how the moon influences Earth's tides, calculating its mass from its orbital behavior, and applying gravitational formulae developed by Newton in the 1600s. All of that is ground-based mathematical inference, not direct measurement. Before Apollo 11, only one spacecraft had made a controlled soft landing on the moon, the Soviet Luna 9 in 1966. It transmitted surface images and basic data for 3 days before its batteries died. Luna 9 confirmed the surface was solid enough to stand on. It did not directly measure gravitational pull in a way that would confirm suit design, jump height, or safe landing descent rates for a crewed vehicle. And here's the detail that makes aerospace engineers quietly uncomfortable. The lunar lander's descent engine had to throttle down to land in a gravity field the team had never physically verified with instrumentation on the ground. Too much thrust in weaker gravity than expected, the craft overshoots. Too little in stronger gravity, it drops hard. The margin of error on an untested gravitational environment for a crewed landing in 1969 using computer processing weaker than a modern calculator should have been catastrophically wide. They got it exactly right. First attempt, with no prior physical confirmation of the conditions. Professional engineers call that extraordinary. Statisticians call it improbable. On a flat plane model with a dome above, the moon is a local luminary, a light source operating within the contained atmosphere. It doesn't have a rocky surface with measurable gravity because it isn't a physical body in the way the globe model describes. Its behavior, tidal influence, light cycles, positional patterns, is fully explainable as a local electromagnetic body moving above the plane. Not a distant solid rock with a gravitational field waiting to be landed on. The reason pre-1969 gravity data was mathematical inference rather than physical measurement may simply be because there was no surface to measure. Tidal patterns are real. The moon's influence on ocean water is observable and well documented. But tidal force doesn't require a rocky body with surface gravity. Electromagnetic influence from a local moving object above a contained water system produces the same observable effect. Fishermen have used tidal tables for centuries without any knowledge of lunar gravity. The pattern works. The mechanism behind it may be something else entirely.